Kyle says, Carey, I've got an 8th gen i3. Can I upgrade to a 9th gen i7? Depends on your motherboard. What I would do to see motherboard CPU compatibility, if this is a system you've built yourself, is type in the model number of the motherboard in Google, not in Bing. Go to Google and type in, not in DuckDuckGo, go to Google. You don't have to type in the manufacturer, just type in the exact model number. And the first link that shows up should be to the manufacturer's page for that product, and then click on support. And there'll be several tabs, and one of them will say CPU support. Click on that and see what CPUs your motherboard supports. And always make sure that your motherboard has the latest BIOS. It'll often tell you what version of BIOS is required for that CPU in the list to work.